Hello everyone, Ron back here with Ron's Tech Drone and Camera channel, and today we have an item that Philly Mike and I talk a lot about on the show, and a lot of us talk about it on our drone shows such as Drone Nation, the Philly and Ron show, Coast to Coast Drones, and Bill the Drone Reviewer. And this is the iPad. This is the iPad Mini 4. Now, a lot of people like to use this device to fly their drones over their phones because the screen is much bigger. This is like this is the iPhone 11 Pro, and I think it's got like almost a 5.7 inch screen, where this is 7.9. So you get a lot more real estate on the iPad Mini, but it's still small enough, portable enough to take it out in the field with you. And there's a lot of companies that make third-party holders, so you can mount this on the various DJI drones, like your Mavic 2 Pro, the brand new Mavic Air 2, the Mini. If you have the Phantom 4 series, it'll kind of fit in the bigger controller without, I think, any special adapters. So, but here's the thing: this is the iPad Mini 4, and this is like I think about a 4-year-old design at this point, and the processor isn't quite fast enough to actually fly the drone as a screen and with all the on-screen controls and settings, and do a screen recording at the same time. In many of the drones, that kind of freezes it and causes issues. And like my friend Philly Mike, he likes to go live with a device like this and screen record and fly the drone with it. So he's putting a lot of people like Philly Mike are putting a lot of intensive things, processor intensive tasks on this all at one time, and it kind of doesn't hold up anymore. But more recently, they've released the iPad Mini 5, and many people have tested it, like Philly Mike, and it can do all the things at the same time. Stream live, fly the drone, do the screen recording, with no problems at all. It's been tested by many big-time drone flyers. If you don't believe me, go ask Philly Mike. But anyhow, the big news is, you probably knew all this stuff, but the big news is Amazon has this on sale right now for a $349.99. If you're a Prime customer, that's free shipping. That'll come in 2 or 3 days to your house in the U.S., and that's $50 off the price it was, $399. That's a considerable savings, at that price point. And if you still have the 4 like me, that price is tempting me to upgrade to the 5 to give me all the advantages I just mentioned before. And now this is in a 64 megabyte configuration. And the next step up would be the 256, which I believe would bump the price up to, hold on folks, I will get you that price live right now. So if you opt for the 256 memory version, it will cost you $499. That's a $150 step up, and if you need that memory, if it's your only tablet, that could be a very important factor in your decision. But if you only use it just to fly your drone with, a little else, the 64 will probably be all you really need. And now you can get this in three colors of gold, which you see here. I have the gold. It also comes in space gray and silver. So you have the 3 color selections, and then I don't know how long the sale lasts on Amazon, or how long the units will be available before they're gone. But I will drop the links down below for you to purchase this. And now I do get a small commission off the Amazon sales. It kind of helps to keep the channel going around here, and pay for new things for me to review, like things like filters and drone accessories and so on. So please consider using my link. And if you like this video, if you got something out of it, hit the old thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell for when I find more deals or have more reviews or unboxings that have interest to you. You'll get the notifications right away. So I won't keep you folks around. If you're interested in this, stop listening to me and go down, click that link down below in the description. Go over to Amazon, get this thing purchased and on the way to your house before they're all sold out or the price goes back up again. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next one.